Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's presentation of the Greatest Showman Medley Part 1. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to play the introduction to the Greatest Showman, learn how to sing Rewrite the Stars and perform them both together. So let's get ready to sing and play, and we'll start by singing Rewrite the Stars.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world should be ours tonight.
A medley is a mixture of different things, especially tunes put together to form a longer piece of music. Here is Mr. Murphy with some warm-ups that will help you learn the rhythm for the first part of The Greatest Showman.
Okay, let's have a look at our first rhythm. We've got one bar count in, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're not playing. The rhythm we're looking at is 1, 2 and 3, 4. That's the same for the next bar. We're going to play it on a B note. Let's have a listen to it first before we try and play it. Okay, let's try and play that on string 2 then, the B note. Okay, let's have a look at a variation on the rhythm we just learned. This time we've got 1, 2 and 3, 4, like before, but this time the 2 is in a bracket because we're not going to play on beat 2. We're going to play on the and of 2. 1, 2 and 3, 4. And if you notice at the bottom we've got B, 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 stamp. So we're going to play a B note, but on the 4th beat we're going to stamp our foot. So we need a way of stopping the notes from ringing when we play on when we get to the 2 and the 4. And the way I do it, I just rest my finger on the string. Okay, so you could experiment with that too. Let's have a listen to the rhythm. Let's see if we can play along to the click, remembering to do our stamp on beat 4. Okay, on to the next rhythm. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We've got a rest for beats 1 and 2. Make sure we say those, help us keep in time. Let's have a listen to it. It's all going to be played on a B note. Okay, let's try and play along B note. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. We're going to change that last rhythm we learned. We've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 like before, but this time we're not going to play on the 3. In fact, we're going to play on the and the 4. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, but we're not going to play the guitar, we're just going to stamp our foot. So we've got to make sure we count it, so we get 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's have a listen. Well, we can have a listen, then we'll try and play along. Okay, I'll count along, help you keep in time. See if we can get those stamps in the right place. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's combine the two rhythms we've been working on. We've got 1, 2 and 3, 4, and the 1, 2, 3 and 4. We're going to play B's here, stamp on 4, and then stamp at the end. Let's have a little listen to it. 1, 2 and 3, Let's see if we can play along.
Here is the rhythm on its own. Have a listen, then rewind and clap along or play the rhythm on a note of your choice. The notes that we need today are ones that we have already learned. B, second string no fingers, and A, third string second fret. Here is Mr. Morley, who is going to demonstrate how to play the first instrumental section. Once you have watched and listened, pause the video, have a go at playing the music, then rewind and see if you can play along. Now let's put the singing and the instrumental sections together.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world should be ours tonight.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and look out for The Greatest Showman Part 2 coming soon.